If only you've been following rule number 13, which clearly says you're supposed to be at the bus stop 5 minutes before the scheduled arrival. Excuse me, Matthew C. Miley. You're supposed to remain seated at all times. Back to back, bottom to bottom. Oh yeah, feet to the ground. I can't even believe. Excuse me, you're not supposed to have any gum, food, candy, or drink. No exceptions. That includes alcohol and tobacco. Our bus is supposed to be a clean environment for everyone. Even you. Okay, I'm sorry. According to bus rule number 9, you're not supposed to throw any objects in or out of the bus. Is that a dog? Because that doesn't look like your sack lunch to me. Profanity! 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 No bad words on this bus, young lady. Tell you before we get started, I need your food effect, please. That doesn't make any sense. Why? What am I doing? Why? Why? I'll tell you why. Because bus rule number 1, the bus driver has all right to make reasonable request. Hey guys! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, bus rule number 4 says you're supposed to be in the bus, not out the window. Point your separate place. No fighting on bus. You're supposed to be totally silent at the railroad crossing. We're step on the ladder on tracks. Evacuate the bus immediately. All on the bus. Objects on the bus. Outside. Never panic and orderly evacuate the bus. It's okay, guys. We have to run away. Right now, everybody.